If you really want a woman to miss you, you've got to stop being the guy who's always around, always available, always saying yes. In today's dating world, most guys make the same mistake. They're constantly texting, calling, chasing, and basically giving unlimited access to their time and energy. That's not how real attraction works. When a woman truly misses you, it's because you've created a space in her life that feels meaningful, something she wants back, not something she takes for granted. Missing someone isn't just about being away from them. It's about realizing what life feels like without them. And that only happens when you're not too easy to reach, not too predictable, and definitely not always chasing her approval. To be the guy she can't stop thinking about, you need to create mystery, confidence, and your own sense of purpose. This isn't about playing games. It's about holding your own power and shifting the dynamic in your favor. Modern dating is full of distractions. If you want to stand out and be unforgettable, you've got to be different. In this video, I'll break down 5 powerful mindset shifts that make a woman miss you deeply. These are not tricks. They're truths rooted in human psychology and emotional connection. Let's get into it. 1. Pull back to create space. If you're constantly available, answering every call, replying to texts within seconds, and always ready to hang out, you're removing the space where attraction grows. Desire is fueled by space. When you're not constantly in her orbit, she has a chance to wonder about you, to think about what you're doing, and to feel that subtle pull of curiosity. That's when she starts to miss you. This doesn't mean ghosting her or ignoring her on purpose. It means showing that you have your own life, your own goals, and you're not just waiting around for her attention. Men who are too eager to please usually come off as insecure, and that's the fastest way to kill attraction. When you step back confidently, not out of fear, but out of self-respect, you instantly become more valuable in her eyes. You're no longer a background character in her story. You're someone worth chasing. 2. Have a life that doesn't center around her. You want to be missed? Build a life that she can't just walk into and take over. Too many guys make the mistake of building their entire schedule around a woman. Every decision, every free moment is offered up to her. That's not attractive. It's smothering. Instead, be the guy who's got his own direction. Whether it's your career, your fitness goals, your side hustle, or just meaningful hobbies, your life needs to be full without her. That's what creates longing. She'll want to be part of your world, but she'll also know that she's not the center of it. When your time is limited, it becomes valuable. And when your attention is earned, not given freely, she'll start to value it more. That's when she starts to feel your absence, and that's when missing you begins. 3. Be intentional with communication. The way you communicate has the power to either deepen attraction or destroy it. Most guys go wrong by over-communicating. They send endless texts, always reply immediately, and try to keep conversations going 24/7. But this only makes them predictable, and predictable gets boring fast. Instead, learn to be strategic with your words. Send messages that spark curiosity, not ones that explain every detail of your day. A simple, confident message like, "Was thinking about you earlier," carries more weight than a paragraph trying to win her affection. And don't always be available. Let her wonder what's going on when you don't reply right away. That's where intrigue lives. In person, keep your energy calm, your presence grounded. Let your silence speak as much as your words. Be someone who listens intently, not someone trying too hard to impress. This balance keeps her emotionally engaged and keeps you on her mind. 4. Be mysterious, not predictable. If she can read you like a script, she won't feel the need to chase. Predictability kills tension. Instead, Introduce a little uncertainty. Change your patterns. Switch up how you text, when you call, what you say. Don't be robotic. Be real, but be unpredictable. This doesn't mean playing mind games. It means keeping her guessing in the right way. Maybe you're not free tonight. Maybe you take longer to respond than usual. Maybe you surprise her with something unexpected. That unpredictability makes her wonder what's next, and that curiosity turns into attraction. When she can't pin you down emotionally or mentally, you stay in her thoughts longer. That's how missing begins, when she realizes she doesn't have all of you figured out. 5. Confidence over neediness. Confidence is magnetic. Neediness repels. A confident man knows his worth. He doesn't need constant reassurance. He doesn't panic when she pulls away. He doesn't overreact to silence or chase for validation. This kind of self-assurance shows that your happiness isn't tied to any one person. You're good with or without her, and that's exactly what makes her want to be around you. Confidence is quiet, not loud. It's in how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you handle rejection without crumbling. A man who owns his space, doesn't beg, and doesn't overcompensate. That's the man who lingers in her mind when he's gone. When she sees that you're solid with or without her, you become the man she can't replace. 6. Leave her with emotional highs, not clingy goodbyes. If you want a woman to miss you, leave her wanting more, not relieved that you're gone. After every interaction, whether it's a date, a phone call, or even a simple message, end things on a high note. Make her laugh, feel seen, or challenged emotionally in a good way. Most men drag out conversations, overstay their welcome, or end things with emotional clinginess. Please don't forget me, or I miss you already. This kills the spark. Instead, say something meaningful, mysterious, or leave her with a little tease. Spending time with you is always too short. I'll let you wonder what I'm up to now. That emotional high sticks in her mind long after you're gone. She'll replay the moment, want more of that feeling, and miss the vibe you bring. 7. Become a source of positive emotion. People don't miss people. They miss how people made them feel. If you make her feel stressed, smothered, or overwhelmed, she won't miss you. She'll avoid you. But if being around you makes her feel alive, fun, safe, sexy, and appreciated, she'll crave that emotional cocktail again. Here's the key. Be light when she's heavy. Be confident when she's uncertain. Be humorous when life gets dull. You don't have to be perfect. Just be consistently uplifting. When she associates your presence with positive emotion, she will feel your absence more intensely. That's when true emotional longing kicks in. 8. Let her invest emotionally. One of the most overlooked dynamics in attraction is the power of investment. When you're always the one initiating, calling, texting, planning, you rob her of the opportunity to emotionally invest in you. Let her reach out. Let her plan. Let her wonder what you're thinking. When she starts giving, not just receiving, when she sends the "I miss you" text or checks in without prompt, you've shifted the balance. People value what they put effort into. So instead of always filling in the silence, leave room for her to step in. It builds attraction, emotional depth, and makes your presence more meaningful. 9. Be unforgettable by standing for something. Men who are easily forgotten are usually the ones who try too hard to be liked. If you want to be missed, you need to be memorable, not just in charm, but in conviction. Have values, have opinions, stand for something real. If you believe in living healthy, building a business, or reading philosophy on Sundays, own that. A woman misses a man who has depth, not just good looks or witty texts. Be a man who makes her think, even after you're gone. The way you challenge her, your unique outlook on life, your confidence in your principles, that's the stuff that sticks. Make her remember how you made her feel, but also what you made her believe in, about herself, about love, or about life. 10. Disappear strategically, not emotionally. The final powerful step is to step back without vanishing completely. This is where men either get it right or totally wrong. Disappearing strategically means you're not always the one initiating. You're not constantly checking in. You're not gone forever, but you're living your life. And she knows it. She feels the gap, the silence, the absence, and she starts to crave your return. But disappearing emotionally, that's different. That's shutting down, withholding affection, or going cold. That's not power, that's insecurity. So here's the move. Create space, but stay grounded. Be calm, cool, and present when you return. Don't explain your silence. Let her wonder. Let your silence speak of strength, not bitterness. Let your absence build the tension, not create confusion. This is how you become a man who haunts her thoughts, not just fills her time. Making a woman miss you isn't about trickery or fake tactics. It's about owning your worth, building a fulfilling life, and letting her feel your absence just enough to crave your presence. If she senses that you're rare, whole, and not easily swayed, she will miss you deeply and often.